Okay guys, here's a little update on the David Bradley. If you've seen my last video. So I went to clean it up. I took some a little gas on the parts cleaning brush and I cleaned it up and it took all the old yellow paint off. So I thought it looked pretty cool just being aluminum. So that's how I left it. I just painted that little head shroud and the teeth. But the thing runs really well. New spark plug in it, adjusted the carburetor, sharpened the blade, the chain sharpened the chain, and put oil in that little oil cap there. So it runs really well. I'm surprised. I'm kind of happy with it. I just went and cut a small branch off a tray, which I could have did probably with a handsaw in 2 seconds, but I don't have no wood right here to cut. I don't burn wood, so I gotta go somewhere. I know a couple people that do burn wood, so maybe we'll have a little video of me cutting wood when the time comes. So that made me want to get out some of my other chainsaws. So here's my Homelite 240, which needs some work, but the thing runs awesome. Very dependable saw. Had it for a long time. I'm going to take it, clean it up, give it a service, and tighten the chain, sharpen it, and get that ready to go. That thing will start right up. I got another one of these that has no spark, so I'll be getting that one out and working on that also. I also got this little Homelite here that someone gave me, I think, and I'm not quite sure how I got it, but I just took the carburetor off. We're going to clean that because it's not getting fuel. It does got spark. Got the carburetor up here, so I'm going to dig into that a little bit. We'll see if we can get it running. Just wanted to give you a little update, especially on that David Bradley. That thing, pretty awesome. So that is definitely going into my collection of vintage mowers, chainsaws. I'll get working on this a little bit. I'm not going to do like step by step. I'm just going to take that carburetor apart and see if it's can be clean. Maybe I'll see if I got a carburetor kit for it, which I'm not sure if I do. But I'll get it apart and take a little look, and I'll be back and we'll see if it's going to run. Okay, so I have the carburetor part on this Echo. As you can see, we got old shellacky gas. I was able to get the diaphragms off without ripping them, so we're going to try to clean all this up and see if we can clean it up and get it running. Make sure all those little passageways are nice and clear. So I'm going to get working on that. Maybe, I don't think I got, but maybe I could look in my stash. There's the, I think, a rebuild kit for Tecumseh right here. Maybe, I don't know. I don't think that's it though. But, okay, well, we're going to keep going. I'm going to dig through here and see if I can find a diaphragm kit. And if not, we'll just try to clean that one up. So, stay tuned. Okay, so I got the carburetor back together. I didn't have a rebuilt kit, so I did the best I could. So let's see what's going to happen. You see my pan that I got with my paper towel on it. Just want to give a shout out to Mick Mowers for that, because that's where I got the idea from. Every time he does a carburetor, he pulls out like a cookie sheet, puts paper towel on it, which works out very well. So, Mick, I hope you're not upset that I stole one of your little ideas, but it works pretty good. Okay, we're going to get this carburetor back on the saw. and we'll see what happens. Okay, got the carburetor back on. Got gas in it. So let's see what it's gonna do. See if it's gonna start. Just want to get a screwdriver somewhere in case I got to adjust the needle valves. Alright, switches on run. Full choke. Oh. Set the throttle. Sounding good. Oh, there we go. Well, she wants to run. Clutch is a little bound up. Try it again. Okay, so we know it runs. Take this cover off and see why it's all bound up in there. I'll leave the camera going. See if we can figure this out. I think it will run pretty good. I'm not sure. I'm going to take the chain and bar right off now. Okay. Let's see what happens here now. we can tune it up pretty good. I'm going to get that bar back on there. Let me open up this door, get some of the smoke out of here. I got to put my exhaust fan in my garage. Haven't had a chance to do that yet. So, yeah, so we got the carburetor clean. I think it's going to be good. I was very careful taking those diaphragms off. That's one thing about these carburetors. They're very finicky, I guess you want to say. So you just got to take your time. I use WD-40 on all the diaphragms and the rubbers instead of carb cleaner, because carb cleaner will soften it up. So that's just a little tip. I use WD-40 and wipe them off. But okay, I'm gonna get this cleaned up. I'm gonna put the bar and chain back on. The chain is shot. I don't think I have one, so I'm not even gonna try to sharpen it. I'm just gonna go get a new one. Might even have another aftermarket bar, but I'm not sure. I'll just get that on there, see how it runs, put a little load on it. Right now it runs pretty good, but there's no load on it, so I don't know what it's going to do when I sink into a piece of wood. So, okay, stay tuned. We're going to get this bar back on, get it cleaned up, and I'll come back and we'll start it again. Okay, so I got the Echo running pretty good. We're going to start it up for you guys. And we'll start the home light up and the David Bradley also. So let's start up this Echo first that we just cleaned the carburetor on. Chain and a new bar for it. The chain is wasted and the bar is not that great, so we will order that. Now the Home Light 240. We'll start this baby up, and I haven't did nothing with this in a while. This is going to be the next one. We're going to sharpen the chain, tighten it up, clean it up, service it, but let's start it for you guys anyway. Let's see, choke, that's that. This thing got compression. This is nice saw. This thing runs good. Like I said, I got another one I got to work on. That'll be my next video. I'm on the chainsaw mode here lately since I got this David Bradley. So, see, this old girl's going to start. Switches on, hit the choke, set the throttle. Can't wait to cut some wood with it. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Got the Echo running good. I'll get on this one. I'm probably not going to make a video on this one. I'm just, you know, it runs. I'm just going to do a good service. So, hey guys, hit that thumbs up. I guess you want to call this video a little bit of a part 2 on the David Bradley. Just shows you how I cleaned it up and how it runs. And a carburetor clean on Echo 290 EVL. Nice little saw. We'll get a new bar and chain for that. Get that baby tuned up. And we'll go cut some wood one day. Hopefully I can get a video of me cutting some wood. I gotta wait until my buddy's ready to cut up some firewood. I got these saws and don't really use them, but they're cool. They're good to have when you need them. Okay guys, that's it from Boneyard today. I'm going to clean up the shop. Got some inventory to put away. So, hit that like. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Tell your friends, share my videos. You guys know the routine. Almost to that 1,000 mark. Still working. I'll get there when I get there. I'm not too worried about it. Having fun making these videos. Okay guys, stay safe. Boneyard's out.